Hey you, I'm Samara Kasai from KasaiThrive.com, and I am a tarot reader and spiritual teacher here on the interwebs. The video you're about to watch is part of a series that I just started, just kind of trying to do these 5-minute mini meditation hacks every week so that we can all just keep building up our toolboxes and have these things for moments when we are anxious or nervous or sad or any of the human emotions that we are all so blessed to have, but that aren't always the easiest to feel. So watch this video, like this video. If you enjoy this video, you can subscribe so that you'll know every week when the next one comes out. And if you really want to stay involved, you can follow this project on Instagram at Kasai Thrive. So that should be somewhere on the screen. You'll know how to spell it. And I'm just so happy that you're here, and I hope you enjoy the practice. All right, take care. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning / afternoon, wherever you are. I'm gonna be doing a meditation practice for the next 15-ish minutes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just shuffle the cards and see what meditation we need for the day, and then we'll get into it. I'm super excited to be sharing these things, and yeah, generally just happy middle of the month, middle of the day, middle of the week. I thought that was cute. Hoping you're having a lovely day. Alright, let's see what comes out. And just so everyone knows, this is going to also be on YouTube, so when it's not in the story anymore, you'll always have it. And we got the sun. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, inner child stuff. Always the best. Always fun. So the sun in this deck is a beautiful card. It looks like this. This is Wild Unknown Tarot. I'm just going to pivot myself a little bit. Beautiful. So this is Wild Unknown Tarot. This is the sun. And let's do an inner child meditation, shall we? So I'm just going to start watching our breath, eyes open. And we'll open with a cleansing breath. So just breathe all the way in, and as you're breathing in, close your eyes. So when you're all the way full, we'll sigh it out. And that felt nice. Let's do that one more time. So breathing all the way in. And sigh it out. Gorgeous. Let's open the eyes, just see how that felt for people. See how that felt for you. And this meditation, this inner child meditation, is potentially going to be a little bit heavy, but I know it's just the middle of the day and we only have 15 minutes or so, so we'll try to make it as beautiful and as light and loving as possible. So just watching the breath again, we'll close the eyes. And just as always, we'll get curious with the breath. So when you breathe normally, are you breathing through your nose? Are you breathing through the mouth? Anything is okay. And start to notice, where is your attention? So is your attention off somewhere in the past? Is it off somewhere in the future? Is it in another room? Is it with someone far? And see if you can just bring your attention back to right here, right now. Just inviting all of that attention back. And with the inhale, we'll breathe the attention in. With the exhale, we'll push the attention down into our bodies, grounding ourselves into the present moment. So just breathing in your attention from all other people, places, events, times, and breathing that intention and that attention down into the body. And speaking of attention, start to see if there's any tension that your muscles are holding and just invite that to release. A lot of the pain we carry in our muscles is pain from the inner child, is pain from wounds that we haven't fully healed. So just starting to notice, where is that tension, and start to give it some attention. And maybe set the intention that whatever's ready to go will go today in these couple moments that we have together. So just breathing with a childlike curiosity. I've got something in my neck, so I'll just say to myself, hey, that's funny, what's that? That's weird, why is that cramping up? What's the tension there? I'm just noticing with curiosity. We'll do that for a moment. Keeping the eyes closed. And with this childlike curiosity, just noticing your posture. Are you upright? Are you slouching? See if you can sit up tall and straight. Noticing your legs. Are your legs crossed? Are your ankles crossed? And see if you can uncross. I'm going to uncross my legs right now. And checking in with your hands. Maybe facing the palms upward in a gesture of receptivity. And in this space, we'll call to mind an image of ourselves as a child at any age. Whatever age comes up is perfect for us to focus on. And just remember what we looked like at that time. Maybe you're seeing a picture of yourself, like a still image that was taken long ago, or maybe you're back there and you are looking in the mirror at little you, noticing how cute you were, and how confused you were, and how confident you were about certain things that maybe you're not so sure of right now. And just feeling into that little human and breathing them in. And this is a practice that we'll work with in the workshop next week, actually. We're going to start to embody that human. So we're thinking about what they looked like, what was their favorite outfit, maybe dress them up, and what they used to like to wear. Even if maybe it was something they didn't always get to wear, or that other people didn't love them wearing. In this moment, they get to wear whatever they want, so just dress them up, feel that, see that, and breathe that in. My inner child had these little baby tiny Tims. I'm just seeing little Samara running around in these little Tims. And so we're in our favorite little baby outfits, or whatever age we're at, and just thinking about what their favorite food was, and can we taste that food right now? What did it taste like? What did it smell like even? What were they so excited to eat before they cared about calories or anything like that? Just what did they love? And just drink that in, taste it, smell it. Beautiful. What was their favorite song? Did they have a favorite song yet? What were some nurturing sounds that they used to listen to, that they would seek out for comfort? Maybe it was the sound of somebody's voice even. Or the music to their favorite little show that they used to watch. See if you can call that in and just hear that. Just drink in that experience. And start to feel all the feelings that come up with these beautiful childhood memories. Maybe you're feeling comforted or particularly safe. And just ask yourself, what were they excited about at that time? What brought them joy? What blew their socks off? Like, what just lit them up? And we'll breathe with that question for a moment. And as we're sitting in this space of maybe nostalgia and just immense gratitude for the fact that we had that time to be joyful, to be playful, to be certain of things that didn't make sense. We had that time to not care so much about the things that bother us now, to just be happy, to be free, and feel into that liberation. And trust that it's safe for you to feel that way right now. And in these last few moments, we'll ask ourselves, how can I bring that sense of levity and lightness? How can I be a little more carefree today? If your mind is wandering, maybe just breathe in that smell of that favorite meal one more time. And take one last look at this beautiful little human that was and is and will always be you. And just offer them some gratitude, some love. Maybe send them a little mind hug. Maybe scoop them up if they're the right age. And just tell them thank you for showing up day after day. Thank you for their uncanny ability to find the sweetness, to find the lightness, to have the optimism to become the person that you are now. And just drink that in. Maybe on the next inhale, you gently open the eyes. Hey loves, we just did an inner child meditation. The replay is going to be in the story, so you can see it at any point today. I'm so happy to those of you who joined mid-practice. I always start on time with these things, so the practice will be going once you join, so 12 o'clock on Wednesdays. And yeah, I loved this. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a great, light little way to connect to your inner child, and I will see you in the stories. If you like this kind of thing, I am going to be doing an embodiment workshop on Thursday of next week. I think that's the 23rd, but you'll see everything soon. So Thursday of next week, the 23rd, I will be doing an embodiment workshop, and we will be doing all kinds of practices like this. So sending love. Hi Caroline, excited for our little thing that we're going to collab on soon, and I will see you soon. Bye loves. Me again. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. It was so lovely to have your energy and to just get to share and create some little magic with you for a couple of moments. If you enjoy these kind of videos, I really recommend you subscribe to this channel. We're going to have one every week, and then I've also just been doing some other stuff around like how we can particularly navigate COVID-19. So if that's something that you're having trouble with, I've been asking the cards and doing a little bit of just lessons that we can take from this opportunity, if you want to call it, this opportunity for growth and healing. So if that all sounds good to you, check out this channel, subscribe to it, and then again, Instagram really is the best place to learn about kind of what I'm up to, what I'm doing. And then the last thing I'll say is that I have a newsletter. Every week I send love notes, I pull tarot cards, I send journal prompts, and I just keep you up to date on everything going on. So if that sounds cool and you really want to get in on all the juju, then the link to sign up for the newsletter and all the information about Instagram and everything is going to be in the description box below. So I will see you soon, hopefully, and again, have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me.